What's up, guys? Let me tell you what's been happening. First of all, I know you guys have been wondering why have I not been speaking on stream. Well, it's mostly because we want to lock in. We want to avoid the distractions and the clouding of our judgment while we're streaming. So we've been silent lately just to kind of lock in because we want to start seeing some green days. So I'm sorry if I don't respond to everybody. I'm just in full focus mode. So regardless of locking in, it does not mean that we won't be having any losses. So we did take an L today, and yeah, we streamed yesterday as well, but we didn't take any trades, and that's why you also don't see a recap for yesterday. But we were live, we just didn't see any sort of setup that was working for us. But yeah, we should have also avoided today. I think price just kind of left without us, and we were kind of hoping for some sort of counter trend trade as a result of price already reaching the target, our sell target. And let me explain why. We were full on bearish today. We had SMTs, of course, at the highs. This is in comparison with US 30. You can see with US 30 we've made a lower high up there, and even if you missed that completely intraday, we had an SMT between the highs of Asia and London. You can see that with Nasdaq, S&P and US 30 all together. And so from there, London onward, we just dropped, creating all these fair value gaps, undoing this bullish momentum that came from negating Trump's tariff situation right there. So that's what that was. And so we came in and filled in all of that liquidity, and as market opened, we created this SMT between US 30 as well as Nasdaq and S&P. US 30 did not reach into this fair value gap. This is an hourly fair value gap. Price reached into there. As you can see here with S&P, price reached into this fair value gap on the hourly, but we did not retrace into that area on US 30. So we have that SMT in place. You can see the same thing here on S&P. So I'm saying S&P and SMT, like it gets very mixed up sometimes. But yeah, you can see the exact same thing play out as market open. We swept that liquidity, and from there price drops and continues the bearish sentiment. And I'm gonna explain why we took a bullish trade. And the reason being is we thought, okay, price has to be below these order blocks to be continuing price to the bearish side, right? So this is the 50% of the order block on if you look on the hourly or the 4 hour, this order block we want price to hold if we're going to continue bullish. But since we were dipping below it, you can see now that we were definitely bearish. But at the time, seeing price make this reaction right here, I'm gonna show you guys very clearly. This reaction right here, inversing with this big blue candle, we get that same inversion on S&P on the 5 minute, same sort of inversion. And you would have thought, okay, price is just retracing and then continuing bearish. But of course, I was hoping for some sort of counter trend trade towards some of these hourly fair value gaps that were previously made during this large bearish move right here. So yeah, I was kind of hoping for that reversal slash counter trend retrace, but we didn't get it, and that's okay. I understand why we made this mistake, but alas, we took that L. But it's okay. We have one more day of this week to lock in some profits. As you can see, we didn't take any trades yesterday, but we did take this L, which is a minus $98. Only one single trade, and that's okay. Losses are inevitable. I'm just glad that it's only that one trade, and there's definitely an opportunity to to profit the next day. Hopefully we can have a nice profitable week this week. Only losing $20 out of what we made on Tuesday. I'm super excited to at least show that we are profitable this week with tomorrow's trading. So looking forward to that. In any case, please don't be surprised that I'm not going to be speaking. So yeah, I do read some of your messages and I'll try to respond via text, but just know that I am super focused in trying to be profitable, and I'm not wasting my time or your time doing these streams, that we are making progress. So yeah, keen to work towards that, to that goal. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. Best of luck trading. All hope is not lost. Trust me, we're going to get to the goals that we want to get to. So yeah, happy trading.